Hello foodies, welcome to my homemade tasty treats. Today let's see how to make bread lasagna in home at under 10 minutes. Easy and quick veg recipe. Yes, before getting started, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon near to it so you will be notified by all my recipes. So please do subscribe guys. Today I have took about 8 bread slices and 4 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Yes, now heat a pan on medium flame and add some ghee to it. When the ghee melts, let's toast the bread on the both sides. So flip the breads and toast it for about 3 minutes till it's golden brown and not too hard. The next thing is place a pan on medium flame and add about 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's saute the super spices into the oil and add half teaspoon of dried chili flakes and add some spice mix or oregano. It's an optional guys. Saute it on medium flame and then add 1/4 cup of chopped beans and add 1/4 cup of corn and saute it on high flame for 2 minutes. And next add about 1/4 cup of chopped carrots and saute it. Yes, saute it. And the next thing is add half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can even add more and add some salt to taste, but don't add more because the white sauce and the cheese has more salt in it. And add half a cup of tomato puree to the veggies and add about 1/4 cup of water and just give it a good stir. When the mixture boils on high flame, close it with lid and cook for about 3 minutes on low flame. Then it's ready. Now grate some processed cheese. Today I have took about 2 cube cheeses. You can even add mozzarella cheese or whatever. Grease a pan with oil or butter as shown in the video. And I'm going to add the roasted or the toasted bread as shown. Just make it into pieces and add according to the size of your pan. And the next step is I'm going to add some sauteed vegetables, that is the masala veggies. And the next step is let's add the white sauce guys. Actually this is a homemade white sauce without cheese. So look on to my recipe for this on my homemade tasty treats as homemade white sauce without cheese. Guys, it is without cheese and it's really delicious. So just sprinkle or pour some sauce on it and add some cheese on it, the grated cheese. And the next step is repeat the same process as done before. So you can look at it, add some veggies, add some bread and add some cheese sauce, that is without cheese, it's a pasta white sauce or white sauce, and then add some processed cheese or mozzarella cheese and decorate it as you wish. It's very wonderful to see. Yeah, it's ready to bake. So we are going to make in a kadai. So place a kadai and add salt and stand to it and preheat to about 10 minutes. Now place the prepared pan into the kadai and close it and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese gets melt. Yes guys, kadai veg lasagna is ready. It's easy and quick recipe. It's better and best than pizza. So if you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe this video. Homemade is the best.